What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, we'll be talking about hostiles located for White Lotus. This is an incredibly easy mission. We need to ping 5 enemies, kill 5 enemies, and pick up 1 weapon in a deployment. You don't need to extract, you just need to pick up an enemy's weapon, or just a weapon in general. The only difficult thing about this, if you haven't played Warzone before, is pinging enemies. They do already have the middle button highlighted, that's all you need to press. You can also rebind this to any other button on your keyboard or mouse in the options. So approaching enemies here, simply just stare at them, middle click, and after a few pings, there we go, 3 out of 5. Do note you're not able to ping the same enemies twice, at least as far as I understand. So I've got 4 out of 5, I'll move to a new location and ping some here. Middle click, done. Just like that, the quest is complete, hostiles located. So thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.